A court in Hong Kong has found pro-democracy ex-media tycoon Jimmy Lai guilty of plotting sedition and engaging in collusion with foreign entities. This trial highlights the significant transformation of the semi-autonomous city since Beijing initiated an extensive campaign against dissent 5 years prior. Lai found himself detained in 2020 due to a national security law enacted by Chinese officials aimed at suppressing the extensive anti-government demonstrations that shook the city in 2019. He may potentially face a life sentence if convicted on the collusion charge. The 156-day trial of Lai has drawn significant attention from international governments and political analysts, serving as a barometer for the state of judicial independence and media freedom in the ex-British territory, which was assured it could enjoy its Western-style civil liberties for half a century following its return to Chinese rule in 1997. So, what does the Jimmy Lai verdict mean for Hong Kong? Here's all you need to know. For many years, Hong Kong was celebrated for its dynamic press landscape and a strong culture of protest within Asia. However, after months of anti-government demonstrations that saw hundreds of thousands take to the streets, Beijing initiated an extensive crackdown that has stifled most forms of public dissent in the city. Lai emerged as one of the initial prominent individuals to be charged under the national security law, which has also been employed to target other key activists and opposition leaders. The Chinese government considers this law vital for maintaining stability in the territory. As a result, numerous civil society organizations have shut down, while tens of thousands of young professionals and middle-class families have opted to relocate to countries such as Britain, Canada, Taiwan, Australia, and the United States. After the Tiananmen crackdown in 1989, Lai, a self-made millionaire who once ran the clothing brand Giordano, ventured into the media industry. He characterized his motivations by asserting that the act of disseminating information is tantamount to granting freedom. His publication garnered a substantial audience thanks to its sensationalized reporting on political events and celebrity news, coupled with a robust pro-democracy perspective. Regularly, it encouraged its readership to participate in protests. Lai took to the streets himself, too, including in the 2019 protests. Lai was arrested under the security law in August 2020 as about 200 police officers raided Apple Daily's building. He has been in custody since December 2020. Within a year, authorities used the same law to arrest senior executives of Apple Daily, raided its offices again, and froze $2.3 million of its assets, effectively forcing the newspaper to shut down. The paper's final edition sold out in hours, with readers scooping up all 1 million copies. Lai, who holds British citizenship, has sparked worries among various foreign nations, notably the United States and the United Kingdom, both of which are advocating for his freedom. President Donald Trump of the U.S. has indicated that he has brought this matter to the attention of China, while Prime Minister Keir Starmer of the UK has emphasized that his administration is prioritizing efforts to ensure Lai is released. But Beijing has called Lai an agent and pawn of anti-China foreign forces, describing him as the main planner behind disruptive activities in the city. Even prior to the commencement of his trial, controversy emerged. Lai was set to begin his trial in December 2022. However, it was delayed until 2023 because officials prohibited a British attorney from acting on his behalf, arguing that this could potentially threaten national security. According to the legal representatives of the pro-democracy ex-media tycoon, Lai suffered from heart palpitations in August and was subsequently provided with a heart monitor. His children expressed worries regarding his declining health. In response, the government reported that a medical assessment of Lai revealed no irregularities related to his heart issues and asserted that the health care he received while in custody was sufficient. Under the security law, the length of sentences varies according to the severity of the crime and the involvement of the defendant. Offenders may face penalties as light as 3 years for minor offenses, while those found guilty of grave offenses could receive sentences ranging from 10 years to life imprisonment. The court has arranged for a 4-day session of arguments for a mitigation hearing, set to commence on January 12th. He has the option to contest the decision